Alright everybody, Cthulhu here, and we're playing real life.
Seriously?
Today we're going to Stacker Rock. Whatever the fuck that is. Stack Rock?
Yep.
Well, whatever.
Stacker Rock.
I added a couple of letters, it's okay. As you can tell, we're going through the forest right now. I have my trusty cobweb shield.
God damn it.
I'm wearing sandals in the forest, which is a fantastically bad idea. I'm glad I don't have to suffer through these cobwebs.
Jesus orphan Christ.
Grab a stick or something, God.
No. I am a stick.
I don't even know how a tire would get back this far. Did it like fall down the creek that doesn't exist? Parkour! Ugh, okay. This would be a neat creek if there was actually water in it. I don't know about that. Spiderweb?
Yes, with the spider.
No more spiderweb.
Way to go, Malachi.
I figured it out. Quest complete. Okay. So there is an ability to walk through here. Interesting. It only took us 2 minutes to walk through there.
Really?
Yeah. So anyways, if all of you viewers haven't discovered yet, the graphics in this game are fantastic. This is pretty much as 4K as you can get. That's a rock. That's the save rock. You touch that and you save your game. I don't feel like anyone can drive through here, can they?
Since we feel like such badasses, we don't need to save whenever we see it.
Hell yeah.
Because we like to live life dangerously.
No one wants to spend those 3 seconds saving their progress. And if we died out here, there's not any coming back, so I don't understand the point of the save. There's a lot of nice rocks out here. Hot as fuck.
You know this path goes on for like 10.
Everybody, Cthulhu here, part 2 of the forest walk. Here we are in the forest walking. So how far from here is it?
10 minutes.
Jesus Christ. This is quite a walk.
Just a few minutes.
10 of them. You know what 10 minutes feels like at work? I don't even know how to begin. Maybe this.
You just jump up and start climbing.
All right. How far are we so far? Pretty fucking far.
Yeah.
Whew. Holy crap. Wow, those would get like a lot cooler up here. Okay. Okay, how far are we now? Awesome. Whew. It's a hell of a lot more moving than I'm used to. Oh my god, that was rough. That was really rough.
Hey.
Hey. People died back here. Ugh. Okay. Whew. Parkour. Whew. Guess I could make that jump.
Do it.
Go ahead, go down. Ugh. Still up pretty high.
No way.
Oh, good lord, that's a far drop.
Oh yeah.
Whew, chest hurts again. Check out that drop. Ugh. Ugh.